In this video, you'll learn effective strategies to boost the page speed optimization of your WordPress site. By following these steps, you can enhance the performance of your website, leading to a better user experience and improved search engine rankings. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. For this tutorial, we will use Google Chrome. Once the browser loads, locate the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the window. These dots represent the menu button, which provides access to various settings and options. Click on the three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. This section contains important settings related to your browsing data and security preferences. After selecting Privacy and Security, you will see additional options related to your privacy settings. Next, find and click on the Clear Browsing Data option. This action will open a new window where you can manage your browsing data. Within this window, there are various choices regarding what data you wish to clear. Make sure to select cached images and files to clear the cache, which can significantly impact your website's loading speed. After selecting cached images and files, proceed by clicking the Clear Data button. This step may take a few moments, depending on the amount of cache data stored. Once the process completes, you will receive a confirmation that your browsing data has been cleared. This action helps free up space and can improve the performance of your WordPress site. Now that the cache is cleared, navigate to your WordPress site. You can do this by entering the URL of your website in the address bar. Once the site loads, you should consider optimizing images, enabling caching plugins, and minimizing CSS and JavaScript files to further enhance your page speed. It's also essential to regularly monitor your website's performance using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. These tools provide valuable insights into your site speed and offer recommendations to help you improve it. Regular checks will ensure that your website remains fast and efficient. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.